Here is the secret to getting $1,000 per month by doing less. This YouTube channel discusses various tutorials about Canva and helps you earn money with Canva, so make sure you give thumbs up, comments, and subscribe to this channel because thumbs up, comments, and subscribe are free, guys. Yesterday when I did some research on the Etsy website, I found a digital product that is very easy to make but earns $1,000 per month. This product is a digital product related to weddings, and this product can include wedding invitations, guest seating plans, bridal shower invitations. The uniqueness of this digital product is that it is very easy to make because of its simple design and does not take much time to make. So that you get a clearer picture, we just open the Etsy website and then you just type in the keywords wedding invitation or bridal shower. Then you will find a wide selection of products that you can observe and you can use as examples for your Etsy shop. This is the result of the keywords we entered earlier, and there are many choices of digital products that you can use as inspiration for your online store. Let's see some products that are quite interesting for us to discuss. First, the products from this paper boutique shop. If we look at this product, it is very easy to make because the design is very simple. This shop generates sales of around 270,000 products from all the digital products that he sells. If we look at the reviews and we sort them into the latest reviews, it will be seen that this product has a review this month, which means this product is selling well this month. To be more convincing, let's open the tools that you can use to do product research at the Etsy shop. The tools you can use are free because there are many choices such as Marmalade, Samurai Sale, Erank, Groove, and so on. In today's video I use Alera, and you just open the tools, then you click Shop Analyzer on the left menu, then you just type the name of the store you want to find. So we just typed the name of the shop that we are analyzing earlier. The estimated total income that he got was around $2.7 million, and of course that was a big number. We tried to find the product he was selling earlier, and it turned out that his income this month was around $700 for that one product. Now let's try to see the product that generates the most sales this month. It turns out that the product is a seating chart and makes $1,100 for this month. The product he made $1,100, and the total revenue from that one product reached $20,000, and if you look at the bottom of this product, it was favored by 8,000 people. Actually, this digital product is an evergreen product because as long as there is a couple who is going to have a wedding, then it can be a big money potential for our Etsy shop. Let's look at other Etsy shops because there are many things we can learn from successful Etsy shops. This one store also has a lot of reviews, which is around 12,000 reviews and 270,000 sales, and is almost the same as the Etsy shop we discussed earlier. But the thing that makes this store more interesting is that the products he sells are also simple and only add photos to the product. And let's try to check how much income from this one digital product. We also checked using Alera, and it turned out that the sales of this store also reached $2.8 million by selling digital products related to weddings. This product turns out to be the second most sold in this store. Revenue from this product is estimated to reach $800 for this month alone. The product with the most sales from this store is actually not much different from the product we discussed earlier, which is around $1,000 in revenue this month. If we discuss the design, it turns out that it is also simple and only added photos of the couple carrying out the wedding. So from the two designs that we discussed earlier, they have similarities in designing with a simple, elegant, and modern style that you can use as a reference when designing. If we look at the product he made, it is very simple, minimalist, and easy to make using Canva or the template application or using other applications. So in addition to the simple design earlier, it turns out that there is also something that can be your inspiration in designing. For example, both of these products come from the same shop. We can see together that this design provides floral or plant elements to the wedding invitations they make. You can make wedding invitations with this unique look too if you open an Etsy shop because there are buyers who like designs like this, so you just need to choose which target market you want to go to because every design we saw has the same potential. Now it's time for us to design based on the products we have looked at earlier, so we will create 2 to 3 designs that you can sell in your Etsy shop. First we open the Canva application, and you can open it on the website or on your cell phone. Then we find out what size of the design we want to make by looking at the Etsy shop that we have observed earlier, and the size we need is 5 inches x 7 inches. Then we just click the Create a Design button in the top right corner, then a blank display like this will appear which you can design to your heart's content. Just for information, if you want to design digital products, you should first read the terms of the license agreement in Canva so that there are no problems in the future. If you need Canva Pro, you can click on the description below, because we know for ourselves that you will have more convenience in designing with Canva Pro, but if you want to use the free version of Canva, that's okay too. In the first design, you can look for rectangular elements in the Elements menu on the left. There are many rectangular options that you can choose, and there are some rectangles that can't be resized like this, then choose a rectangle that you can resize. Then next add a line in the middle of the initial letter, the same way you just look for elements with the keyword line and you just choose a line that can change the color. Then you put the line in the middle of the initials of the groom and the bride, then you also put the line on the wedding date. The next step is to add the various writings you need such as the full names of the groom and bride, then add what time the event will be held and then add other words such as asking for humility to come to the event and various other words. The next step you only need to change the font that is suitable for use in wedding invitations. In this tutorial I use a random font in the style menu. If you don't find the style menu then you can look for it on the more menu which is at the bottom itself. You just click and look for the style menu and just click it, then it will automatically move to the left of the menu like mine. A little advice for you: if you want to design a wedding invitation template and you are confused about what font is suitable, then you can just search on Google with the keywords best Canva font for wedding invitations. And just select it at the very top of this Google search, then you just choose fonts that you like and apply to the designs you create. You can also apply this method if you want to find a good design for wedding invitations templates and color combinations for wedding invitations. Then if you want to make a second design, the method is very easy. You just need to add a new page and you just fill in the page you have created with the photo and name of the bride and groom. Then we try to make a third design by adding some interesting elements such as flowers or plants on each side of the design that we make. You can put the element you want to use in the right corner or the left corner of the design you created. You can also add two similar elements in two different places. You can put the first element in the upper right corner and the other one in the lower left corner, or you can also add a brush effect under the flower element, so it depends on your own creativity. You can also add a hexagonal or rectangular frame as in the first design, and you combine it with various plant flower elements you want. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe buttons and leave a comment below this video to let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions, please drop me a comment below this video to let me know what you would like to see next and what type of videos you want me to create for you. I will be able to respond back to you as soon as possible. Also be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.